Hi, I'm Mother Mary. I discuss the state of justice in the United States and in the world. Today, we have a bit of a success story. We are reading Chapter 7. Alaska Supreme Court caves in, agrees to reconsider the unconstitutional grand jury rule. Citizens and legislators must participate. This was written by David Haig in February of 2026. On January 31st, 2026, Governor candidate Treg Taylor announced that the Supreme Court is going to, quote, reconsider their rule that unconstitutionally prevents citizens from appealing to grand juries directly and unconstitutionally requires grand juries to obtain government approval to investigate government corruption. There's a way you can watch the video. We will paste it in the description box below. A rule that Mr. Taylor, when he was Attorney General, helped write, admitted was unconstitutional at his January 17, 2026 meet and greet, where he also tried to justify his corruption. Quote, I didn't challenge the Supreme Court because they wouldn't overturn their own rule. But after growing public outrage, the Supreme Court is now considering exactly this, all without any help from cowardly Treg Taylor, who clearly placed his, quote, good old boy status with the 5 Supreme Court justices above Alaska's citizens and the Constitution he was sworn to protect. Adding insult to injury, Mr. Taylor now states, quote, we put successful pressure on the Supreme Court to change the rule. Mr. Taylor, you don't get to take any credit. I'm reading from David Haig's story. Okay, don't shoot the messenger. Thank you. I don't need any more legal problems than I already have. Okay. Mr. Taylor, you don't get to take any credit, says David. The undeniable truth is that you had absolutely nothing to do with putting pressure on. You helped the Supreme Court make the rule and then refused to meet with the group, including borough mayors Edna DeVries and Peter Mitsiichi, wanting your help to overturn it. Sorry, Peter, I have not heard your name. You refuse to pledge that you will appoint an independent Mullen-type commission to publicly investigate the evidence of judicial corruption and cover-up. All other candidates I have talked with have pledged this. Why are you the only one that refuses? History is going to be very hard on you, Mr. Taylor, and I feel sorry for your beautiful wife and children. But you, your corrupt Department of Law, and the Alaska Supreme Court had no mercy when conspiring to unjustly destroy thousands of other beautiful families. There will be no mercy for you. Yeah, my family got destroyed by the Alaska court system. It's messed up. For more facts on Mr. Taylor's corruption to help government enslave Alaska's citizens, please read Chapter 3. We made a video. You can just read Chapter 3. Hope I get elected governor so I don't go to prison. Conclusion. The Supreme Court fixing their own corrupt rule without oversight only after being backed into a corner with an enraged public approaching with tar and feathers is unacceptable. Dave was fired up when he wrote this one, I suppose. There must be public hearings with the citizen and legislator input to make sure the rule is not, quote, rewritten to again protect government corruption. The timeline of events producing public outrage is available in the link we'll put in the description box below. And we have a call to action. If you agree that citizens and legislators must participate in the rewriting of Alaska's grand jury rule to make sure there are no restrictions to citizens appealing directly to the grand jury, and to make sure grand juries don't need government approval to investigate government corruption as intended by the 55 delegates writing Alaska's Constitution, see the Constitutional Convention transcript. Please contact Dave. We will have a way for you to do that in the description box below. Our first action will be a peaceful sit-in at noon on December 11th, 2026, just after the new governor takes office in Anchorage's Atwood building, until the new governor appoints an independent Mullen-type commission that publicly investigates this. If you're interested in that, go ahead and contact Dave. It is time for the sleeping giant to wake up and kick ass. For too long, we walked softly. It's time to swing with the full might of an outraged public, the big stick. Thank you so much for listening. Get in touch with Dave if you want to participate in his advocacy work. His contact is in the description box below. If you are interested in my content, I cover topics related to the state of justice. Please gently tap that like button, share it with your friends, and tap the bell to subscribe and be updated when I post more. Thank you.